motivation, not only for you, but also for us. Alright.
This is our last dance.
Yes, that's right. Sorry.
Enjoy the
Yeah,
dance.
we will just chat later. Hello, dance buddies. So most of us, if not all of us, or mostly, or many of us think that working out is such a burden. So what are you trying to do with that so that we can learn, we can enjoy, and we can have fun and see the results after a while? Believe it or not, we can have fun in the gym, whether you are working out, walking, or even at home. Besides being the best way to make you every now and then workouts, the people who enjoy their workouts reap more of exercise mental benefits. What are those? Lower stress levels. It will lower your stress level and a decreased risk of depression. Some of the things or the trick we can do to ourselves so that we will be enjoying our next workout. Number one, don't compare yourself to others. There is such a thing as competition, but many women use comparisons to get down on themselves, and we do negative self-talk. So, let us always see our progress and stop comparing with others so that you will be more motivated because you are documenting your own progress, not looking at other women. Number two, we can enjoy our workout if we have a workout body. You will feel the support. You will feel that it is more relaxed and enjoyable to work out with someone. Consider your friends, your relatives, even your sisters or brothers who can join you in your workout date. It will be sometimes like a certain form of bonding with your friends, with your relatives, or even with your son, just like what I'm doing here with my son. So we are both enjoying the workout. Number 4. Use a variety of tune, and music can also give your workout enjoyment. It can also give instant boost in your workout. While you need to like the music, research shows that the fast-paced music is often best for boosting moods, energy, and workouts. Search for 160 BPM on Spotify to find songs that fit the bill. Or if you're trying to time your music to your running, bump things up to 180 BPM. He said. And lastly, even after you find a workout you enjoy, it's still important to regularly change things up in order to ensure you keep liking it. Those who felt like their workout contained the most variety were more likely to also report enjoying their workouts. So thank you very much. Hope you are enjoying our workout. Let's continue the music. And if you enjoy this kind of videos where you can find tips on how to enjoy our workouts, tip on our how to lose weight or our lose weight journey, our diet journey, foods to eat that will make you strong and healthy, then may we request you to have to press the subscribers button, the red bell, also so that you will be notified for all our new videos, for the upcoming videos that we will be doing. Thank you everyone who have watched. You are all awesome. Continue to stay healthy, stay young, forever happy, forever stress-free, because you love yourself and you spend time with yourself. You spend time to become healthy, wealthy, and wise. Thank you. God bless everyone.